Japan's known for some pretty outlandish inventions. I'm thinking of the infamous toilet bubblers or that voice-activated fridge that'll deliver beer right to your couch. That one's pretty cool. But the latest from the design company, ICOMA, could be our favorite to date. ICOMA has just released a foldable electric motorcycle named the Tatamel Bike. When not in use, the bike can be folded to a size that's easy to wheel around and small enough to store in closet or under your desk at work. When fully unfolded, the motorcycle measures 1.23 meter long, 1 meter tall, and 65 centimeter wide. But when completely folded down, the bike sits at a fraction of the size at only 70 centimeters long, 68 centimeters tall, and 26 centimeters wide. Looking like a particularly placated Decepticon, the front wheel collapsed into the body of the bike and the handlebars and kickstands folded into the body when fully collapsed. Clocking a top speed of nearly 40 kilometers per hour, the bike is powered by a lithium iron phosphate battery that doubles as a portable power supply that will let you charge your devices anywhere, anytime. On one charge, the current mileage is just over 50 km. More than enough juice to get you around the city in a day. It makes sense that the Tatamel Bike was born in Tokyo, one of the most crowded cities in the world. Never worry about parking again, just bring your bike with you into the house. On top of that, if you want to stand out a little, you can even customize the side panels. ICOMA says the body can be customized, the side panels can be replaced with your preferred colors and materials, and you can add illustrations or attach signage to express your own personality, even with your favorite anime character. Find out more about Tatamel Bike on the ICOMA website on the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.